So hi guys, now I'm showing write a C++ program to illustrate the as-defined literals are not variables. So here in the C++ we have in the C++ programming language we have as-defined literals are there. So in the I have to show the program. So on that program the literals are not a variable. We have to show that. So here I have a program that's very simple program that we have easy to understand that. So first we have to declare hash include iostream.h. That is very important in the every program in C++. So iostream means the input output stream. So we have to give the in and cout statements. The must be declared the hash include iostream.h. So that's very important. So now here in this program we have to hash defined literals are not variables. So here in this we have to 4 hash defined literals are there. That is hash define x b plus c. Now hash define x2 x1 plus x2. Now hash define x3 x2 into c plus x1 minus d. Now hash define 2 into x1 plus 3 into x2 plus 4 into x3. So here these are the hash define. That is not a variables are there. So we have to use many more in this program. So hash define means it defines only single time, that another time it don't used. So here in this program I have to use it and I have to show this literals are not variables. So here this is the main function, and here we have to initialize, that is the int b equal to 2. So we have initialize, that is integer b equal to 2. We have to declare that. Now initialize that. Now int c equal to 3, int d equal to 4, int e equal to x4. So here int e equal to x4 there. So watch here, in the x4 is here. So we have to initialize it with the hash define. So the hash define are not initialized, but this is the variable. So this is not a variable, so we have to use anywhere in the program. So here int e equal to x4. So now watch here. So was in this declare and initialize for the 4 variables. So here these are the variables. So now here we have to print the variables. So now we have to print the different format. So now cout e comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4. So first we have to print the e, and then we have to print the x1 x2 x3 x4. So now watch here, we have to return 0. So this program is, we have to see this is a very simple program, but the compilation was very difficult to take, because we have to show that how to compile the compilation has been showed. So first we have to write this program. So here open the turbo C++ IDE. So here this is the turbo C++ IDE there. So now this is that. So here the turbo C++ IDE. So now take a new file. So here this is now hash include iostream.h. Now here we have, this is the header file for the every program in C++ programming language. Now hash define x1 comma b plus c. So now here we have defined the x1 space b x1 b plus c. Now I hash define x2 x1 plus x1. Now hash define x3. So this is a very take care of writing, because the errors are get there. Now x2 into c plus x1 minus d. So now hash define x4. So it is the x1 x2 x3, this is the x4. Now 2 into x1 plus three into x2 plus 4 into x3. So here watch here. So here has different x1 is the b plus c, and x2 is the x1 plus x1, and x3 is the x2 into c plus x1 minus d. Now has defined x4 2 into x1 plus 3 into x2 plus 4 into x3. So now here watch here, that is now we have to print the main. Now in main, now int b equal to 2, int c equal to 3, int d equal to 4, int e equal to x4. So this is x4 there. So now here we have print that. Now we have to print the variables. Now cout e, first we have to print the e. Now we have to put in some comma there. Now we have to print the x1, we have put in comma again, we have put the x2, we have to close that. Now we have to open that because there was length is there. Now we have to put there. Now we have to print x3. Now again we have to put the comma. Now we have to again print the x4. Now we have again put the comma there. Now we have to close this. So now the print was gone, completed. Now we have to return the 0. Now return 0. Now close that. So here this is the program, and it's a very simple program. You have to know that. But here was there is an error there. I have to see that. That was here. So now the return of the program is completed now. So this time I will compile this. Now watch the compilation press Alt plus F9. So watch here the total compiled lines compiled is 891. The warnings is 0 and errors is 0. Now click enter. So now we have to execute the file. Now watch here. Now we press Alt Control plus F9. The file is executed, but the output has not seen because we do not use the getch and clrs methods. So now we have to print the press Alt plus F5 key to see the output. Press Alt plus F5 to see the output. So watch the output, that is 44 comma 5 comma 10 comma 7 comma 44. So was there. So I have to show the output is correct or wrong. So here was there. So I have a calculator. So first we have to print the e. So e is here, e is x4. The x4 is 2 into x1. So first we have to find the x1. The x1 is b plus c. So b plus c is 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 5. So now 2 into 5. Sorry. Now 2 into 5. Now here was the 3 into x2. The x2 is x1 plus x1. x1 is 5 plus 5, that is 10. Now plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into x3. The x3 is, first we have to find the x3. So now again we have to open the another calculator. So we have to find the x3. So x3 is the x2 into c. The x2 is 10. 10 into c is 4. So now x plus x1 is 5 minus d is 4. So now we have to find that is a 41. So now here watch it, we have to get the 41 there. So now then we have 2 into 5 and 3 into 10. Now we have 44 4 into x3. The x3 is the 41. So now 4 in plus 4 into 41. So was that this is a 594. So it's a wrong method. So here watch it. The x1 is we have to print the x1. The x1 is 5 because, so watch here, the x1 is 5. We have, there is the x1, the x1 is 5, that is the b plus c. The b is 2 and c is the 3, the 2 plus 3 is the 5. So now x2 is x plus x1 plus x1. The x1 is 5 and the x2 is 5. Now here we have to find the x4, that is a 17. So that's why we have to find the values that is not the hash define is the not in the hash define letters are not variables in this program. So because they have used many more times, so this is the way to find that how the hash define letters are not variables in that. So this is the program and this is the output is there. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.